welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's the end of the year and we're doing our 2026 goal planning video. I've been doing this for a couple years now, and it includes a free Notion template that you can duplicate and use for yourself. We will talk about 2025 reflection, have a brainstorm session, and we're gonna plan our 2026 goals. If that's something you want to watch, make sure to keep watching. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyle. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small biz owner. And if you love everything desk, tech, productivity, lifestyle videos, any of that or all of that, make sure you subscribe. And without further ado, let's get in. So now let's head over to the Notion template. Okay, so here is the 2026 goal planning template. As mentioned, this is a free template. All you have to do is sign up for my email newsletter. You'll get access to the Notion hub along with other freebies that you might want to pick up. We have wallpaper, we have digital planning, and more. So make sure you're signed up for my email newsletter. I'll make sure to link it down below for you to check out. All you have to do is just duplicate the template and then it'll be on your Notion. First off, I want to mention that normally I will compare this with last year's goal planning. If you already have your own, feel free to compare to that, or if you have been using my goal planning from last year, feel free to also do that. I just have a mini disclaimer is that I didn't really do much goal planning this year in particular because I did give birth, and a lot of the times it's just with the baby and just kind of living day by day. But normally I would compare to this year's kind of goals and everything, but for this year I won't be able to do that, so hopefully I can share that next year. But that's a little disclaimer about that first. But I'm gonna just do it as if I am starting fresh again, and definitely want to do a lot of things in 2026 and kind of get back into the rhythm as baby grows also. So I'm excited to share more on that. But yeah, so let's get in. So here's the main hub of everything. The only thing I switched out was obviously the dates or the years, and then I also changed up the cover. I thought we would need a new cover this year, so we have this one here. It says start before you're ready. First off, we're gonna go to 2025 reflection. I think I missed out some stuff, so I need to change some stuff quickly, but it'll be ready for you to go when you duplicate it. This is just me fixing things up as I am working on this video. So we're gonna go through our goals from 2025. I had a couple of goals that I think could reflect to this, so I'm gonna go take a quick peek quickly. I did save my old goal planning stuff here. I did not touch it since last year's video. I might have touched on it in Q1 a little bit, and then I gave birth and then I never did it again. So I'm gonna go through it super quick and kind of see what I have here. I have it on my iPad here, and as I confirm, I barely did anything. Mainly is to get the nursery ready, trying to pre-plan things before I gave birth, and mainly just having consistent social media even after birth, which I feel like I did in the very, very beginning, but as baby grew older, she would be awake more, so that was harder to do. But other than that, I had a lot of point hunt stuff that I had to do, and that seems pretty good to go. So I kind of have a little thought of what I want to mention. One of my top goals for 2025 was definitely just living and getting through the year, but mainly it was getting my small business point hunt back on track. Other things including updating my website and media kit for Life with Holly. And then from what I see here, some personal things was exercise, getting back into a routine, and the last thing was definitely home cleaning. It's been crazy since baby's born. Things are everywhere. We have new things all the time, and it's just a mess in here. So those were the top goals in 2025, and the things I did achieve, which is something that's a win, is definitely getting point hunt back on track. We are a little delayed and a little laggy sometimes, but I'm not gonna complain because having a baby is very, very crazy. I did update my website for Life with Holly, but I don't think I finished my media kit, so that's something I need to write down. And then got into a mini routine. I'm gonna say we have a mini routine happening. So with the baby, with feeding, pumping is kind of there, and even like a weekly routine seems pretty set, but I wouldn't say it's like a full-on routine. But yeah, and home cleaning I definitely did not do, so there's that. And then we have goals that we didn't achieve, which includes media kit, as I just mentioned. I have to get back into a full routine, so I'm gonna say includes meal planning, exercise, and then home cleaning for sure. That's something I want to try to do before 2026, but if that doesn't work, I'm gonna slowly get that done in 2026. So there's that. And reason why you didn't achieve these goals, well, I don't know your reason, but my reason is definitely baby, lack of energy. That relates to exercising and kind of eating healthy again. So by doing this, you're able to kind of realize what you're looking for, reflecting on your current year, and kind of seeing how things can get better in the upcoming year. So what would you like to try again, which is mainly everything that my goals didn't achieve. I think those are pretty solid. I'm not going to write in there. You feel free to do whatever you need to do. But that's kind of where we're at. So I'm going to go back to goal planning, and now we're going to go to 2026 brainstorm. I'm going to go with my iPad and bring out my reflections in there so it's easy to see. Write down all the goals I can think of. I'm going to do that super quickly, and then we can discuss about it.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus making up us wanted to grow up.
Okay, so I am back. Next thing is to write down the categories. I already kind of did that because I was thinking it in category basis. So maybe you can start on that if that's something, or if you just want to write down all the random goals that you might have, you can start with that and then do the categories. So it's totally up to you how you want to kind of like mix things together. So mainly I wrote all these things down here. I think I left something here. Media kit. I want to have a stronger media kit for sure. So I have them split into my small business, home things, personal things, and life with Holly. So I do also have some sub goals. So I basically did the categories and subcategories already in the goal section. But if you don't have that, that's fine. You can totally do that afterwards, or you can do it like me. You already have it figured out. Totally up to you. So mainly I just have Point Hun, which is having a better social media schedule, pre-plan things at least 2 months in advance. A lot of times we're very delayed and we're just running as we go. So having things just ready to go would be really good. Reorganize the warehouse, because if you watched my last plan with me video, which I will link up in the cards and down below, I mentioned that we are bringing in a printer. We're going to be printing in-house, which I'm so excited for, and life is going to be so much more fun and easy, and so many more creative ideas are going to come out of that. So I'll definitely talk about that more in the future, but that's something we're going to be focusing on pretty much for 2026. For home things, we have clean the house, which is one subcategory, and then the other is like little projects that we might have to do. So cleaning the home, I have the different spaces I need to clean, and for projects there's things like patio, getting patio furniture for this year, living room, kind of switching things up. Since baby is growing, we're gonna have a more kind of bigger play space for her, so we have to figure that out. So those are the 2 projects I have. And then personal is exercise and healthy eating, so that's something we have to do, not just personally, but as a family too. And then Life with Holly is updating my media kit, figuring out how to get out of my rut. I don't know if it's just the sun isn't out and I just have a rut on that. I'm fine with YouTube, which is what you're watching now, but for short form content, sometimes I'm a little confused. So there's that. I have to figure that out. But yeah, that is my little spiel on that. I want to do maybe a signature series, something a little different, lifestyle series, I don't know, or more cinematic videos, I don't know. So that's something I'm going to figure out. I'll definitely be doing a video in 2026 about that, so stay tuned for that. So that's my little brainstorm, so we can go out of that. You do have a monthly section here. It's the same as last year, where you can basically every month kind of look at your goals and how they're doing, and then kind of go from there and see like, oh, what I can be doing better, kind of just reflecting that month and what your plans were. This is something I probably have to talk about later in another video when I start working on these. So that's just something for you to have right now. And then, yeah, so let's get into the main area, which is our 2026 goals. We have our goal on one side. We can schedule it for a quarter. If you want, you can also change it to scheduling for a month, but I like doing it in quarters because I feel like that's just better for me. I can just focus on certain things. And then we have different categories. So work, personal, home. Work is technically my small biz. And yeah, so there's that. And then we have a completed section and any notes that you might have. So let's run through this together, working on this as if you're working it with me. And then that way you can kind of figure out how you want to do it. And yeah, first off, we're going to talk about is work stuff. So one of the main thing is social media schedule. So just getting into a good schedule for that. So that's definitely in Q1. And pre-plan products at least 2 months in advance. So I'm going to say I have to do some sort of 2026 product planning. So that's definitely in Q1. Organizing the warehouse is also for Q1. And then focus on print would be something that I'm going to do normally, but also I might want to take in any print clients or stuff like that. So utilize a printer if someone outside wants to print. So print services would be something I would like to look into maybe in Q2. So I'm just going to have that there for now. So those are all work related things. So if you need anything printed or if you need any design services, I'd be glad to help. Just wanted to mention that because I do my own stuff too. It's Holly Ho Creatives. I redid my website on that. I used to do graphic design. I used to do brand stuff. Do a lot of graphic design stuff, like make business cards and stuff. But then I stopped doing that when I moved to the US because I didn't focus on my shop point hun. And now baby's here, stuff like that. So just throwing that out there in case you were thinking that you need some help, but feel free. I'll make sure to link Holly Hill Creatives down below for you to check out. Anyways, home stuff. So clean home. I'm just going to put that all in one thing. And then in the notes section, I'm going to mention the spaces. And then I will have to take this note and use my planner. I'll definitely be doing a reset for 2026 video. So make sure you're subscribed to see that video in the beginning of next month. So I'll be doing more in depth on how I'm going to be using my planners to relate to my goals and all that stuff. So stay tuned for that. We have our home projects. So patio furniture will probably more in Q2 when it gets a little warmer. And then last but not least, we have is living room, which I'm not going to be too hard. I feel like it should be Q1, but if I have to wait and stuff like that, so fine. And then we have my personal stuff, which is healthy eating and exercise. I feel like I'm going to focus on the healthy eating first and then focus on exercise in Q2. So obviously, if I can do it earlier, that'd be great, but maybe do 10-minute exercise in Q1 and then do more intensive, kind of more thought through exercise in Q2 because I think I can't focus on 2 things at a time, especially with the baby. So even without the baby, I probably can't focus 2 things at the same time, so it's good to do that. Make sure meal planning, prep would be important for healthy eating, prep foods. So there's that. And then last but not least, we have Life with Holly Lifestyles. Main thing is to fix media kit, which will be Q1. And then I'm going to say brainstorm and kind of have like a session, brainstorm session. Maybe I should do that in Q1 to see where I want to go with life, basically. But yeah, so those are the main things. I probably have more. I can write them as I go. And then as you see here, you can actually view them in quarterly. So you can kind of add as you go. If you see something, you can see it in categories. So there's those different ways to view it. But yeah, that is basically my 2026 goals and how I'm planning to work on them. Make sure to do yours. I would love to see yours, but make sure to tag me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram. I'd love to see your goal planning page. But that is kind of a mini look at how to use my 2026 goal planning. You can download it right away, so make sure to grab that while you can. You can download it right away, so make sure to grab that and sign up for my email newsletter. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some ideas for yourself and what to do and plan out your 2026 goals. Make sure to follow me if you haven't already to see more videos coming in the new year. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!